If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To sign a PDF using a previously created digital signature in Acrobat, open the PDF to sign in Acrobat. Then click the All Tools link in the top bar to show the All Tools panel. Then click the View More link at the bottom of the All Tools panel to expand it if needed. Then click the Use a Certificate link in the All Tools panel to show the Use a Certificate panel. Next, click the Digitally Sign button in the Use a Certificate panel. An informational message box then opens and shows the instructions for adding a digital signature. Click OK to dismiss the message. Next, click and drag over the area in the PDF where you want the digital signature to appear. When you release the mouse button, Acrobat opens the Sign with a Digital ID dialog box. Select the Option button for the digital ID to use, and then click the Continue button. The dialog box then shows the chosen digital ID. Enter the ID's password if needed by typing it into the password field if it appears in the dialog box. Then use the Appearance drop-down menu to select the digital signature appearance to apply. Your choice appears in the preview area of the dialog box. To prevent changes to the PDF after signing, check the Lock Document After Signing checkbox. To select the reason for the signature if shown, select a choice from the Reason drop-down. To finish, click the Sign button to open a Save As dialog box so you can save a signed copy of the PDF. Many users add the word Signed to the end of the file name to distinguish this copy of the file. Then click the Save button to sign and save the copy of the PDF. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.